Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Sephora VIB sale time, you guys. This is the annual spring sale that Sephora has every year. We all look forward to it. And I wanted to haul the items that I picked up during this particular sale. And in a way, it's a little different than my hauls have been in the past because I normally have this long list of items in my cart. And this time around, I just didn't have a lot of items in my cart. I had picked up some items prior to the sale, so I think that's probably the reason for that. So again, in terms of the number of items in my cart, that is a little bit less this time around. But to be honest with you, my wallet did not see any results from there being less items in my cart because it seems like I still spent around the same amount as I normally do with each sale that comes along. So just in case you don't know, the Sephora VIB sales event is a tiered sales event. So based upon the amount of points that you have with Sephora, that determines what tier you fall into, and that also determines the date of which you should shop, and it also determines the amount of discount that you will get. So if you are a VIB Rouge tier, the sale started on April 1st for you and will end on April 11th. And being that you are at that Rouge tier, you would get 20% off of the total cost of the items in your cart. And if you are of the VIB tier, your shopping starts on April 5th and it also goes through April 11th, and you will get 15% off of the items that you purchase. And if you are of the Insider tier, your sales event starts on April 7th and it also goes through April 11th. And during that time, you would receive 10% off of the items that you purchase. Also during this time, Sephora is offering 30% off of their entire Sephora collection. If you're looking to pick up some Sephora brushes, complexion products, whatever the case may be, that Sephora brand is 30% off. So that's a really big savings. The first item that I picked up is from Dior, and this is their Backstage concealer. I've already picked up the Backstage foundation, and I'm looking forward to using that. I like using that in my airbrush, and I like using my airbrush during the spring and summer months, so that time is right around the corner. So I thought that this would be a good time for me to pick up the concealer. And to give you a little bit more information about this product is a caffeine-infused radiant concealer that delivers waterproof and crease-proof full coverage with an innovative makeup brush applicator for precision. The coverage is full, the finish is radiant. One of the highlighted characteristics about this concealer is that it has this caffeine-infused formula, which helps the skin to feel energized and visibly depuffs under eye circles. I need that. I can say it again, you guys know that my under eye area is my problem area, so I'm really looking forward to see what this concealer actually does for me. And on the Sephora website, the Dior Backstage concealer has 4 out of 5 stars. I am in the shade 3W, so I picked this item up during the sale. A little while ago, I picked up some products from Fashion Fair. I picked up some complexion products, but I also picked up some lipsticks. So one of the lipsticks that I picked up during that time was in the shade Magenta Mist. I love Magenta Mist. I love the formula of the lipsticks, so I decided to pick up another one. And this time around, I picked up one of the iconic lipsticks from Fashion Fair. It's in the shade Sepia. And you guys have heard me talk about this Fashion Fair packaging before. It's beautiful packaging. It has that magnetic closure on it that I really like. This is what the Sepia looks like. And for some reason, it seems like I've been drawn to red and deep plums and darker shades of lipstick for some reason here lately. This color Sepia is described as a bronze with tonal shimmer, but this is really, really pretty. And to give you a little bit more information about this lipstick, the description states that this is a lipstick with richly pigmented hues, from vibrant nudes to fierce reds and berries that pop on the darkest skin tones, enveloping lips with decadent head-turning color. That's absolutely true. This is beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. Let me give you a little swatch here. And there it is. If you can see that, is that not beautiful? I cannot wait to wear this. Beautiful lipstick from Fashion Fair. It's in the shade Sepia. And yeah, I picked this up during the sale. I picked up a couple of new items from Fenty Beauty as well. And one of the items is the Gloss Bomb Heat. And this is in the shade Lemon Lava. I've seen this shade on Instagram and I was really curious about it, but this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. It's interesting. It looks like a faint yellowish type of shimmer shade in the bottle here or in the actual container. But I can't wait to use this on my lips because I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch it right here next to this lip shade that I have on my hand here. But this is what this looks like. This is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Lemon Lava right there. You can see that. So I can see using this as a topper, for a lipstick topper, or just using it on its own when I want one of those natural looks, but I really want my lips to look nice and luscious. So yeah, this is the Lemon Lava. This is part of the Gloss Bomb Heat line from Fenty Beauty. And some additional information about this lip gloss: it is a lip luminizer and plumper that delivers a hint of tint and fuller looking lips. The highlighted ingredients in this gloss is shea butter and vitamin E. So yeah, this is gorgeous, and I picked it up during the sale. This next item is also from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Stalk'R Face, Eye, and Bronzer Highlighter Palette. And this one almost slid right by me, but I checked one last time. I was like, okay, what's going on new? What's hot? What's really happening? And this popped up, and instantly I was like, yeah, I am definitely going to be picking this up. I normally use the Stalk'R bronzer from Fenty Beauty in the shade Coco Naughty. Love the way that looks on my complexion, but this is what this palette looks like. This is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this. You guys know that I like using a bronzer to create an eye look. I like how natural that looks, and I think that this is going to be one of those one-stop shopping type of palettes that I'll use when I want that type of look. So this one is called Thick Mint. This is Coco Naughty. This is Caramel Cutie. This is Private Island. This is India Sun. And these are the two shimmer shades. This is Fat Glass, and this is Gold Card. So this is a gorgeous palette. I cannot wait to use it. I like the packaging of this face palette. It comes with a little mirror here, so that's really nice. And just to give you a little bit more information about this, it's a limited edition face and eye bronzer and highlighter palette that features the Stalk'R bronzer and 2 new highlighter shades for ultimate dimension. Something else that Sephora thinks that you may want to know about this product is the intention is to create dimension. This palette helps you bronze, define, and add glow to your face and eyes with shades that flatter and bring all skin tones to life. The warm contour shades and the new highlighter shades allow you to create any kind of look you want, from natural to next level definition. So this is a really gorgeous palette, and I'm so glad that I was able to pick it up during the sale. And the final item that I wanted to share with you guys during this haul is from Kilian, and this is the Angel Share Parfum. I have been eyeballing this fragrance for quite some time, and I think during the VIB sales event time is the best time to pick up some of those big ticket items that you would normally be a lot more hesitant to purchase. Picking them up now is going to get you some money off. It's the best time to do this, so I wanted to take advantage of it. And this is what the outer packaging looks like, and this is what the actual bottle looks like. Is that not adorable? If you have not seen this fragrance before, it is definitely for the eyes. It's very easy on the eyes. I love the fact that it's in this highball type of glass type of container here. I really like that. I had my eye on the, what was it called? I think it was called Apple Brandy on the Rocks or something like that. That was the one I wanted to get. But when I went in and actually smelled both of them side by side, I was like, ooh, I think I like this Angel Share a little bit better. So this particular fragrance family is warm and spicy. The scent type is warm and sweet gourmand. The keynotes are cognac, tonka bean, and oak wood. And it smells wonderful. Messed up a little spritz here. It smells really wonderful. The description of this fragrance on the Sephora website, it states the Angel Share's Eau de Parfum contains the essence of cognac derived from the liquor to lend it its caramel color. It opens with cognac oiled up on a blend of oak absolute, cinnamon essence, that's where I'm smelling that essence, and tonka bean absolute, and the scent's long-lasting notes of sandalwood, praline, and vanilla make it a delicious finish. That's so true. It does. It smells very delicious. About the bottle. The perfume bottles in the Liquors collections are styled as a speakeasy essential, like an Art Deco glass, to recall the most fabulous bars. The weighted glass is engraved with the emblematic K motif to throw and catch light at all angles and finished with a golden diamond-shaped plaque signed with white serigraphy. These details bring the Kilian Paris creation a guarantee of luxury that should not be inferior, but should last a lifetime. As such, this perfume is refillable. I like the fact that you can get a refill on these perfumes. I didn't know that. I was not aware of that. Very, very interesting. Didn't know that these were refillable. This fragrance was also an Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. So I finally have my hands on my Kilian Angel Share, and what better time to pick up this fragrance than during the Sephora VIB sales event. So that's it. That's all I got. I like doing my haul videos with you guys because, like I said, it gives you a segue into some of the videos that are going to be coming your way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.